Now we will be moving to our next equipment, that is biosafety cabinet.
Just while entering into the laminar outflow area, always close the entry doors one by one stepwise, which will maintain the positive air pressure inside the working area. Then you can see the UV light on. So before starting your work, put all your stuff inside the biosafety cabinet and turn the UV light on. Then after opening the latch window, we can feel the airflow which is opening into the front grill, and then it was passed through the HEPA filter. After passing through the HEPA filter, the sterilized air will be available in the working area, which is indicated by the paper movement, as you can observe in the video. Then the display inside the UV safety cabinet, it shows the percentage of laminar airflow inside the hood. So while working, first make everything sterilized by using 75% alcohol, then you are ready for work. A brief introduction about the water bath for cell culture or microbiological use. Turn on the buttons to start the instrument. You can observe the display, which is indicating the actual temperature and the set temperature. A motor is also given, which work as a stirrer, which distribute the heat in the water. In water bath, sufficient water should always be there, which should cover the bottom tray. Centrifuge. After turning on the start button, you can see the rotation of rotor. The display are indicating the speed of rotation in RPM and the time of rotation in minutes. There is a manual setting available to change the speed and time of rotation. And lastly, it's always necessary to perfectly balance the weight before starting the instrument. Before entering into biosafety level 3, remove your shoes outside the door. Wear all the protective equipments and then enter inside the room with a brief shower of laminar air. Then inside the room, you can observe the incubator, which is maintained at a temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. Enter inside a door entry which is mentioned as after room. First, after entry into the after room 1, then do not enter into the next room, particularly without the complete closure of previous one. Then stepwise manner you have to move from after room 1 into 2 and finally into after room 3. There you can see a biosafety cabinet and an incubator. After completion of your work, move from after room 3 to 2 and then finally 1. Then in outer room you can observe the microscope. The microscope is particularly used for observing the cells or bacterial culture under magnified field. Then before leaving the biosafety level 3, Discard your all PP kits like gloves, cap and mask, and then you can ready to exit from the room.